Hello peeps, it's Dan here with Drywall Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a little patch work. Well, the patch is already in and taped. And I'm going to show you how to be putting some mud on it. We're busting out old blue here. I guess y'all watch some of my other videos. You've got a little bit of know-how on this. If you're not, you need to go back and watch some of the other videos on the blue knife, on which way this thing is bowed and what this piece of tape is for. But anyway, here we go. We got a little patch up in the ceiling here, and I'm going to show you how to check it to see where you need to put mud at, and we're going to run some mud on it. But here we go. Okay, y'all. So first thing we want to do is we want to stand the knife up on it, and we want to see if there's any daylight in there. And of course, y'all see that, and you see that it's rocking, but we have daylight. You can't see it, but there's daylight in here. Daylight in here, and a little bit right in here. It only goes out about there. So this side over here is not too bad, but we're still going to bust it out all the way so we can get it the flattest we can. Here we go. Like always, bowed side down. See that? We want to run the closest side to us first. Now, we're going to hop over and run the next one. See, but our knife fits between this piece of tape and this piece of tape, so we're going to run it right down the middle here. Our scoops don't go very far because we're leaving a lot of mud behind. If this was shallow, it would go a whole lot farther. Okay, now we have this last one over here. We're going to run this one over here. Okay, at the edge, at the edge. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to wipe down this side, tipping our knife slightly inward to push the mud that way. This one we're going to gently pull down the middle. And then we're going to pull this one, turning the knife this way so to push the mud towards the middle. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip my knife over, pay attention to the blue side, and I'm going to run right down the middle where the tape's at. Lightly. Lightly. And all we want to do is just knock the tip of it down so it's not protruding down. Think of it like a pyramid. You know, you have sharp points like this. What you want to do is you want to knock it down so it still comes up, but then it's flat across the top. It'll make it a whole lot easier to skim. There you go.